Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can log in into Jira application. Okay, type Jira on the Google, click on start your free trial. It will ask you for sign up. You can sign up with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Let me sign up with Google. So you can have, you can choose your account here. You click on continue, create your account. Well, right, what kind of work do you want to do? So software development only is the one which we want. Click on continue. So why do you want to use? I want to use for tracking bugs, managing tasks, prioritizing the work. Click on continue. So here our workspace will be created. It will take a little bit of time. Now write the name of your project. Get started. If you're not familiar with Jira, just click on not familiar. Get started. The board will be created. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.